Hi there guys, it's me again. In this video I will show you how to add background music on Snapchat. Firstly guys, you need to go and choose the third selection, the camera section, and then you should get a photo, for example this one. And now what you need to do is just on the right side, as you can see, you have 7 options. You need to choose the third one by selecting the sticker side, and then here, as you can see, you have also many options right there. You need just to scroll down and find for the background music. Here, as you can see, also I don't have it. If I swipe right, maybe I will see it, maybe not. What I need to do, if it doesn't appear like in this situation, I just go on the search box and type for music. And after that, also you can see you couldn't find the result that you might found it. Now you need to go on the 5th site that is related to a music site. Click on it, and here guys, you need to choose the song that you want to be on your background. For example, we'll go with this one. Just go next and go on the thick one. And guys, here as you can see, go just sent. And here we go guys, we have added a background music on our Snapchat. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.